Yeah, so the boss wants us to do something on retrofit.
That's not what I meant by retrofit.
Retrofit your space with Acuity Branch Relight. Relight for your employees for improved lighting quality, rejuvenated appearance, and a more productive environment. Relight for your enterprise to receive a fast, simple payback from the energy savings, as well as an ongoing savings from reduced energy and maintenance. Relight for your environment, an environmentally sensitive solution. Relight leaves you with few components to recycle, a reduced carbon footprint, and less mercury entering the waste system. Plus, it's easy to install. And you end up with an improved look of your space and ceiling without enduring the hassles of full fixture replacement. With several different fixtures to choose from, you're sure to find your renovation solution with Relight. Now, the next time the boss asks you about retrofit options, you'll know to turn to Acuity Brands Renovation.